Hello friends, welcome back to Live Geo. In this video I'm going to show you how you can solve 7x7 Rubik's Cube easily. To start solving the 7x7 Rubik's Cube, first we need to solve the centerpieces. We can create a centerpiece at any side with any color. I'm going to create a centerpiece at this side and then with the white color. I'm going to start off with this strip. I need to find a piece for this position. This will work. So if I bring this up, I solved over here. Now I need one more piece to put over here. This will also work, so I can put this up. Now if I turn this and bring this up also, I created a strip. Now I need to find another white piece, so I can use this piece and then bring it up. So here two pieces are solved. Now I can bring this down and turn this right and bring this the other side and bring it up. Then this white piece is also solved. Next I need to bring this up and then this piece is also solved. Now only this white piece is left, so I need to just turn this and then this piece is also solved. Now I need to bring this up. Now I need to make another step like this, so and I'll use this piece. I can bring this piece up and then I can bring this piece down and bring this up. Now I can bring this piece also. No, this piece won't work, so I need another piece. This piece will work, so I can bring this down. Now I can use this piece also, so bring this down and then let's bring this up. Next I need to take this white piece. I need to find a white piece for here. Bring this down, turn right and bring it up. Now I need to find a piece for this side, so I can use this piece. I can bring this down and then bring this up like this. So I formed another white piece over here. Now I can bring this up. Next I need to solve this piece, so bring this down and bring this up. I can bring this piece also up. Now I need to use this piece and then I just need one more piece over here, so I can use this piece, bring this down, turn and bring this up. So this white strip is formed. I can bring this up. Now I just need to do the same thing for yellow piece, so bring a piece over here. I can bring this up and form the strip. Now bring it up. Now I need to form another strip over here, so bring this up and then bring this also up. Now again one more piece is only left, so bring this up also. So yellow piece over here is formed. Now I just need to bring this up, turn and bring this down. So now let's form another yellow strip. So bring this up, bring this up, and then bring this also up, and bring this also up. So the yellow piece over here is solved. Now bring this up and bring this down. Now bring this also up, and turn this and bring this up. And I can bring this down, and bring this up and turn and bring this up also. So the yellow piece over here is formed. Now I just need to bring this up, turn right and bring this down. So now I just need to form the centerpiece. So let's bring this down, turn, bring it up, turn this also and bring this up. Now I need to form the centerpiece. I need to get the centerpiece over here. So I need to turn, bring this down, turn right and bring this up. So the yellow piece is also solved. Now do the same thing for rest every sides centerpiece. So I'm going to solve the orange piece right now. So I can bring this up and this up also. So orange two strips are formed. Now I need to form some more. Bring this down, turn, bring this up, and turn and bring this up, and bring this also up, and turn and bring this up, and one more piece only left. So bring this down and then bring this up. So I can bring this and bring all these pieces together. So these centerpieces are solved. Now I just need to turn this up, and I can bring this also up. Then bring this up and bring bring this down. So if I turn this, I got another piece. Now let's solve this piece. So turn this, I need to find a piece for this side. So bring this back, turn and bring this up. Now I just need to get this piece over here. So if I bring this up, I found over here. Now I just need to do this and bring this also up. So another yellow orange strip is formed. So let's bring this up. Now take this orange piece. So bring this up. Now I just need to bring this also up. Bring this up again. Bring this up. Turn and bring this up. Bring this down. Bring this up and turn and bring this up again. So that piece is solved. bring all these pieces together, and the orange centerpiece is solved. Now do the rest for the other pieces. So I need to find which pieces come to the right. So I need to bring this orange green piece over here. So the green piece comes over here, so I need to form a green centerpiece over there. Turn and bring this up and bring it down. Next I need to solve this piece. So I need to take this piece down. Now I need to take this piece, bring it up, and then turn and bring this piece also up and bring it down, and bring this piece down, and bring this up again. So this green strip is solved. Now bring this up. Now I need to form another green strip. So I can bring this down. No, that won't work. So bring this up and bring this down. Now bring this up and turn and bring this down and bring I can bring this down, turn and bring this up, and bring it up and turn and bring it down. So that piece is solved. Now I need to bring this up, turn and bring this down. Now I need to solve this. So bring this up, turn and bring this down, bring this up, and no, that piece doesn't work. So I need another piece. I can use this piece. So I need to bring this down, bring this up and bring this down, and bring this up and turn and bring this down back. So another green strip is formed. Now I just need to form another last one. So I can bring this down, and I can bring this now, and I bring this down and bring this up and bring this up and bring this down. So the green piece is solved. Now just keep doing it for the rest of the pieces, every centerpiece, and I'll tell what to do after that. After you solve all the edge pieces, you need to solve. After you solve all the centerpieces, you need to solve these edge pieces over here. So you can choose any edge piece for the start. I'm choosing white. I need to find another white pink piece. So let's find one white pink piece. It's over here. I can bring this down, turn, bring this piece up and bring this turn this and bring this down and bring this back. So the white pink piece is solved. So I need to keep doing it for all the pieces. So I need to find another white pink piece, turn, bring this down, turn, bring this up, turn, bring this up, and turn and bring this down. So the white pink piece is solved. Now turn this up, turn and bring this down, and turn, bring it up and turn and bring it down, and turn this. Now I just need another white pink piece, so turn and bring it up, turn and bring it down, and bring it side, turn, bring it down, turn, bring this side, bring it up, bring it down, and turn this other side. Now bring this down, turn, bring this up, turn and bring this down, and fix it. Now define another orange piece, so you can use this piece. So bring this down, turn and bring this also down, turn, bring this up and bring this down. Now bring this down and turn this and bring this down also. Now bring it and turn and bring this down and return. So the white orange piece is also solved. Now we need to find another white piece, so white blue piece. Let's take white blue piece, turn, bring it up, turn and bring it down, and connect it. Now we need to find another white blue piece, turn, bring it up, turn and bring it down, bring it over here, turn, bring it down, turn and then bring it back. Now bring it down, turn, bring it up, turn and bring it down. Now only one more white blue piece is left, so we need to find another white blue piece, so turn, bring the side, turn, bring it down and do it again. Keep doing that until all the edge pieces are solved. So you can do these for the other edge pieces like yellow, green, blue, green, red, blue, red. So you can keep doing this until all the edge pieces in the Rubik's Cube are solved. After you solve all the edge pieces, it's really easy to solve the rest. It's just like the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So first let me create a white cross at the top. So turn this and bring it up and connect the pink piece. So bring this down and turn it up, and the white pink piece is solved. Now white green, so I need to turn like this and bring it up, and white blue is over here, so I will turn this, bring this down, bring it turn right and bring it up and turn it at the top. So the white cross is solved. Now I need to solve the corner pieces. So white, pink and green, so I can use this, turn right and bring it up. I can use this white, blue and pink, so turn, bring it left and bring it up, turn right, bring it down, turn left and bring it up. Next I need white, green and orange, so it's over here, so I need to bring this down, turn right, bring it up. Now I need another piece, so bring this down, turn left and bring it up, and turn right, bring it down and turn left. Now I need to solve the white, blue, orange piece, so bring it down, turn right, bring it up. Now I need to solve the second layer over here like this. So I need pink. I'll take blue and pink piece, so do the equation that we did in 3x3 Rubik's cube. R U R dash U dash L dash U dash R L. So the blue pink piece is solved. Now green and pink, U L dash U L U dash R U R dash. So do the same thing for the other pieces, blue and orange. U L U dash L dash U dash L U R U R dash. Now do the same thing over here, bring it up, turn, bring this down, bring it up and bring this down. So the piece is solved. Now we just need to solve this also, how we do it in a 3x3 Rubik's cube. So turn, bring it up, turn and bring this down. Now we need to solve the corner pieces. So R U R dash U R U2 R dash R U R dash U R U2 R dash R U R dash U R U2 R dash R U R dash U R U2 R dash. Now I just need to solve the headlight. So R dash U R dash B2 R F dash R dash B2 and R2. We didn't form a headlight, so we need to do the same equation again. Over here we formed a headlight, so connect it, hold it opposite side and do the equation again. And do it back. Okay, and now we need to connect the pieces properly, and we're almost done. Now we just need to do the equation for bar, the same equation we do in the 3x3 Rubik's cube. So the equation is R U dash R U dash R dash U dash and R2. Do this thing again if it does not work. And like that you solved the 7x7 Rubik's cube. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you got your Rubik's cube solved, and thank you for watching the video.